headed up to a toboggan ride in the Swiss Alps.
Mama, where's the toboggan?
So here we go.
Where's
It's
the
gonna be fun.
toboggan?
It's way up there. I'll show you guys. So the toboggan ride is up on the top of this mountain up there. So we're gonna get in this cable car and ride up. Welcome back to our France and Switzerland vlog series. So today we're going to talk through going on a mountain coaster. So if you're ever in Switzerland, this is an item that you definitely need to add to your list. So whenever we were in the Lauterbrunnen region or the Jungfrau region, we actually went to Pfingstegg, and that's where we found mountain coasters. They also had an amazing park there, and then like a canopy swing through the trees. It was amazing and awesome, and the kids had a blast. And we ended up actually going to this same place 2 separate days because the kids had so much fun while they were there. So the kids absolutely love the playground up there. So if you are traveling with younger kids that can't ride on things, they would definitely have fun doing this activity as well. So there's a lot of like swings, regular swings, but then there's also tunnels and stuff for them to climb around in as well.
1, 2, 3.
All right, we're getting ready to get on a mountain coaster in Grindelwald. So we're pumped up. We're super excited. Christian, how are you feeling about this?
Scared.
Right, how are you feeling about this?
We're pumped up.
Pumped up.
I'm hiding my phone.
Guys,
Evan, how are you feeling about this?
I'm excited.
Okay, Christian, what are we getting ready to do?
A mountain coaster.
Jude, how are you feeling about this? Good?
I don't want to go by myself.
All right, so if you're looking for an activity to do in Switzerland with kids, I would highly recommend doing a mountain coaster. So mountain coasters are a lot different than what you would think about in the US whenever you hear the word coaster. So in Switzerland, it's actually a track that is laid inside of the mountain or on the side of a mountain, and you ride a little toboggan down the track. You have a control, so you can go fast or slow, and it's completely safe, but you're not belted in, so just keep that in mind. So we took 4 children up there, so our 4 kids, and they ranged in age from 8 to 18. They all had fun. Obviously the older kids went a lot faster than the younger kids did, but they really enjoyed it. So pricing for a single ticket for adults at the coaster that we were at were 8 Swiss francs. Kids 8 to 15 were 6 Swiss francs, and then children 4 to 7 were 2, and then under that you had to ride with an adult.
They do have packages where you can bundle multiple trips to do the toboggan run and the canopy line through the trees, and it looks like 6 all the way up to 20 trips, and the more trips you buy, the bigger discount you get. But for adults, the 6 trips was 40 Swiss francs and the kids was 30 Swiss francs, and the kids rode multiple times and probably would have rode more if we had let them.
Okay. Slowing down, Evan. Ah! Tatum! Evan.
Jude, what did you think of the mountain coaster?
I like it.
Yeah, was it
Jude
fun?
went really slow. He had the brake on the whole time.
No, I didn't. Not on the second time.
Christian, what was your favorite part?
All the fast turns.
Yeah? While we were up there, we also did a canopy ride. This was actually very gentle. It was like kind of a peaceful ride through the trees, which I wasn't really expecting. But I did this, and so did all 4 of the kids, and they all had a blast doing it. Pricing was also the same as it was for the toboggan ride.
Pretty good. Yeah? Sure. This is pretty fun. Very kind of relaxing. Look at this.
So we drove over to the Pfingstegg Mountain Coaster, and there was a parking lot out there if you're going to drive your own car. Otherwise, you have to get to Grindelwald and then walk a short ways. Grindelwald isn't a bad walking town, but as we were leaving, we noticed there was a little farm with some baby lambs and some sheep running around, and the kids absolutely loved it. Yeah, just if they're out, take your kids over there. They will love it.
To summarize the experience, it was a lot of fun. I'm 40 and I still enjoy doing this. We've done it in other places in Switzerland as well, and I would recommend this as a must-do experience whenever you're traveling in Switzerland. I will put a link in the comments below to the exact experience that we did, so you guys can follow along with that. They also had food up there as well. I just wanted to add that in. But yeah, so that's all we've got for you today. If you find our information useful, please like, subscribe, share, and save. And if you want to catch up on our France and Switzerland series, you can do so here.